Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying storage and connection because uploads fail when space or network conditions are bad. First, check your drive quota and free at least a small buffer. Full accounts reject large jobs. Next, switch to a wired connection or mobile hotspot to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Once done, open Drive in incognito or a different browser to eliminate extensions or cached auth problems. If the web client still fails, pause here and update the Drive app or browser before continuing to deeper fixes. Now you dig into file and app details because stubborn uploads are often caused by file names, sync settings, or security layers. Rename files to remove emojis, trailing dots, or long nested paths. Windows path limits can block transfers. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily and inspect firewall or antivirus rules that might throttle HTTPS to Drive. Google.com. Then re-authenticate Google Drive for desktop and verify the sync folder path and selective sync choices. Misconfigured paths cause silent failures. Once these are aligned, try a single small file upload to confirm progress. You finish by retrying uploads with resilience and fallback methods so you can complete the transfer. For big items, split or compress files and upload parts. Large single files often time out. Try alternate clients, web browser, Drive for desktop, and mobile app. One will usually bypass the specific issue. If uploads still fail, capture exact error messages and clear the browser or app cache. These steps reveal transient auth or quota errors. Key tip: if problems persist, disable VPN/firewall and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.